Hey guys, so I'm doing some handy working man stuff because I have a lot to learn, and this here is totally loose. I just almost fell over, so I'm trying to fix the screws. That's my first attempt. If that doesn't work, I have a plan B. I already tried with a little screw, and now I brought one that's a little bit longer. I have hope that this might... No, it does not. Now, what will I do now? Well, I brought some nails, but the holes are so big that it probably doesn't work. So I'll try to knock down some nails beside it. Maybe that'll work. I don't think that's a good idea. I don't think that's a good idea at all. It's a bad nail. I mean, what's it with nails that don't even get into the thing, into the underground and stuff like this, you know? Its only job is being a nail, and it can't even do that. I only have these thin nails, and I'm worried if I take a bigger one, the whole floor is broken. I don't know what to do now. Ow. I should have done this when I'm alone, because Sarah will laugh about me. Ah! Alright, this is it. I think this doesn't work. I think it has to be glued. Sorry guys, I let you down. Take care. Bye.